This is Pepper X, 3.18 million Scoville units, the hottest pepper ever measured by science. And someone decided to turn it into a sauce you can buy. The capsaicin oil inside Pepper X is so concentrated that direct skin contact causes third-degree chemical burns.
Every single gram of Pepper X that enters this facility is treated like a biohazard. The processing room has its own dedicated ventilation system that
Every batch is tested twice, once before processing and once after, using high-performance liquid chromatography to measure exact capsaicin concentration. The base paste is blended for exactly 47 minutes at low speed. Too fast and the capsaicin oils separate. Too slow and the texture becomes grainy. Vinegar is the only preservative used. No artificial stabilizers, no thickeners. What you see is what you get, just concentrated pain in liquid form. The straining process removes all solid fiber, while keeping every molecule of capsaicin oil suspended in the liquid. Each bottle holds exactly 148 milliliters. The fill is measured to within 0.5 milliliters of accuracy. The last dab label was designed specifically to communicate one thing. This is a final warning. Once you open this bottle, there is no going back. Finished product is held at 4 degrees Celsius for a minimum of 72 hours before shipping. From harvest to shipping, every batch of Pepper X sauce takes between 11 and 14 days to produce. Every bottle that leaves this facility has been touched by at least 14 pairs of gloved hands. Tested 4 times.
That bottle contains enough capsaicin to physically incapacitate an adult if consumed in full. It is sold legally, in a grocery store, next to ketchup.
This is where the world's most dangerous food product is made. Not in a classified lab, not behind military fencing, in a small town in South. And tomorrow morning, 23 African-American workers will put on their hazmat suits, walk through that door, and do it all over again. One drop, 3.18 million Scoville units. The entire production process you just watched. Hot sauce is now a $3.7 billion global industry, and Pepper-X sits at the absolute top of that pyramid. The genetic lineage of Pepper-X is documented in this notebook. 30 years of crossbreeding experiments. It takes 90 days from flower to harvest-ready fruit. During that window, the plant is monitored daily.
Sugar content and capsaicin concentration move in opposite directions as the pepper ripens. The moment sugar starts declining is the exact moment.
Every harvest is weighed, logged, and assigned a batch number before processing begins. If any batch tests outside specifications,
Rejected batches are destroyed in a sealed unit because even the vapor from degraded Pepper-X concentrate can cause respiratory irritation in an unprotected person standing nearby. The ventilation system processes all air leaving the production floor through 3 filtration stages. The activated carbon layer By international chemical safety standards, the capsaicin concentration in Pepper-X paste qualifies as a hazardous substance requiring Decontamination protocol takes 8 minutes minimum. 2 workers have been hospitalized in the facility's history, both from protocol shortcuts during high-volume production days. These 23 people come to work every day in what is, by chemical handling standards, a hazardous materials facility.
I can't believe she posted that. Oh my God, this is the best thing I've seen all week.
After 2 years working here, most employees report that their personal heat tolerance has not increased at all. Pepper-X does not get less painful with repeated exposure. The human body never adapts to it. Shipping last dab internationally requires a hazardous food substance declaration in 34 countries. In 3 countries, it is banned entirely from import. In 2 others, it requires a government permit to purchase.
The average customer who buys Pepper-X sauce has already tried and maxed out at least 6 other hot sauce brands. They are not beginners. They sought this out deliberately.
That vapor you can see rising from the bottle is aerosolized capsaicin. In a small enclosed space, it is enough to make a person's eyes water without touching the product at all.
Tebbles. The flavor before the heat arrives is described consistently across cultures. Tangy, slightly sweet, almost fruity.
And then
Tablets. Capsaicin binds to TRPV1 pain receptors in the mouth and throat. Milk casein protein breaks that bond. It is the only scientifically validated method of...
They will buy another bottle. Everyone does.
$148 milliliters. Produced in a biohazard facility.
3.18 million Scoville units.
The world's most dangerous legally sold food product is made by 23 people in a small town in South Carolina. And they are hiring.